Guys, good evening. So this is the illumination of the flat, the two-bedroom flat I was doing in the morning. So as this place dey so everywhere choke die. If I change all the light now, this one never I just put am direct. Yes. Money good o. As I dey here so, I don tire like mad. You go rest dey see me more wide. See this, see my small chief engineer. You see this one? If I not bring it to site, he'll just be playing up and down. And I want him to learn a skill. A skill. That's why I normally create awareness for all these little kids in our area. They should learn a skill. 10, 15 years this time now, they will be their own boss. So you get. So that's just it. This one now I know how to illuminate a building. So and the way by the time he start growing up, maybe by 15, 20 years, he says good demo. All right, guys. God bless you. Sleep they worry me like mad.